Hello, I'm very happy to present to you a very new app that I developed with an intention to assist those who are yet to have access to databases for entering and storing gastroscopy information, particularly following endoscopic procedures. And I will go through the demonstration here for you so that you will appreciate what this app can do. Uh, I'll take you to my desktop now, which is where this is known as gastroscopy form. I will click on that here. It will open shortly, gastroscopy.executable file, and there it is. You see they're quite full of data, a lot of information here to fill, including the name of patient, date of birth, hospital number, intervention date, referral type, hospital referral appointment type rather, reason for referral and the name of referrer, whether a trainee was present or an endoscopist, competent endoscopy was there, and a nurse who is supporting and sedation or just local anesthetic spray, and so on. Okay, this database can do some more than just storing information. You can actually search for a previous entry, such as this. If you don't enter anything, it would actually tell you to make sure you put in the right thing before you proceed. And like it is here, I have a patient that has put in already called trial patient, and then make sure it's correctly spelled, and you do that, and it then brings up the name of that patient with all that you've done in during the recent procedure, including everything. Another patient that I put in as well as a trial was a new patient, and you can see, just watch carefully, it's going to change all of that now. Perfect. So you see it's actually doing so many things as well. You can clear that to enter a new patient after a new procedure. Let's call this one new 2 as the name of that patient. Date of birth 1st of 12 1980, hospital number 20,001, and intervention date, let's imagine it was just recently done, a type of urgent referral type, inpatient perhaps, reason for referral, Medina, passing blood, referral Dr. A, Dr. B is the endoscopist, no trainee was present, nurse C was there, instrument GRF 12, sedation was used, let's imagine 2, and then fentanyl was 50. Just click on it and hold it down, or you write it down. Maximum dose being 100. You wouldn't go beyond that for the purpose of ensuring that you do not overdose or give too much sedation to the patient. There was spray as well used. Esophagus, there was normal appearance. Hiatus hernia of the sliding type was seen, about 2 centimeters length. Stomach showed antral gastric ulcer. There was non-bleeding, which was biopsied. Okay. Pylorus normal, normal. Comments high dose from tampon inhibitors for at least 6 weeks, and chest histology, of biopsy, extent was D2, intention D2, comfort level, patient was comfortable because of good sedation. Follow-up will be referring consultant to chase those results and perhaps book for repeat gastroscopy. Limitations: none. Complications: none. 6 weeks. Repeat OGD. Check healing. Title of endoscopist, consultants. Okay, you finish that, then you go on to save, and data is saved. Okay, how you know, remember the name of the patient is new 2. Okay, so you come over here, put new 2, and you can see there all that you've entered here will be shown as recorded with the date or procedure and every detail. Okay, should you want to print this, you go into sniping tool. If you're using Windows, click on that, and you will then click on new, highlight the portion you want to print, and you can then see that either save it or send it to a printer, and or save it on your PC depending on what you want to do with it. And you can clear this or exit or close it from this point as well. This I'll take you to the Excel sheet so that you can see that that data has been saved. Very good. So you see new 2 here. All the information that you entered was captured with the dose as exactly as you put them in. This would be a useful tool for research to monitor and or have some information that will be useful for your learning and or for research purposes. You could actually ensure that this Excel is locked so that whoever will access it will definitely need a password to get into it so that nobody deletes your data. Okay, I'll close this, and that's it. Happy to collaborate with anyone who is interested in this, and thank you very much for